The early and mid-2000s were one of the most important periods in BMW history. During this time, BMW stood at a crossroads between traditional mechanical engineering and the beginning of modern electronic complexity. Cars were becoming safer, more comfortable, and more technologically advanced, but they still maintained the mechanical honesty that made BMW famous. Many enthusiasts today believe that BMW models from the 2000s represent the perfect balance between old-school durability and modern driving comfort. These cars were designed during a time when manufacturers were still focused heavily on engineering longevity rather than short-term leasing cycles. They were built to be driven for years, sometimes decades, by owners who truly cared about driving experience. Even today, many BMWs from this era remain on the road with extremely high mileage. They continue to deliver smooth engines, balanced handling, and strong overall durability. Of course, no BMW is completely maintenance-free, but certain models from this era have proven themselves repeatedly through long-term ownership stories and mechanic feedback. This list highlights 5 BMW models from the 2000s that earned reputations for reliability, durability, and ownership satisfaction. Every video on this channel is created personally by me, based on real ownership experiences, research, and conversations with BMW enthusiasts and mechanics. Number 5. BMW E46. Produced from 2000 to 2006. The BMW E46 3 Series is often considered one of the most balanced sports sedans ever built. It was introduced at the beginning of the 2000s and quickly became one of BMW's most successful models worldwide. The E46 combined performance, comfort, and practicality in a way that appealed to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. One of the main reasons the E46 achieved strong reliability reputation is its engine lineup, especially the naturally aspirated inline 6 engines. These engines were designed with durability in mind. They provide smooth power delivery, strong internal components, and predictable maintenance requirements. Many owners report that properly maintained E46 models can easily exceed 200,000 miles. Some examples reach 300,000 miles while still delivering consistent performance. The E46 also offers excellent driving dynamics. Its steering feel is widely praised as one of the best BMW ever produced. The suspension provides balance between comfort and sporty handling, making the car enjoyable in both city driving and highway cruising. Of course, the E46 is not without known issues. Cooling system components, such as water pumps and expansion tanks, require attention over time. Suspension bushings and control arms also wear with age. However, these issues are predictable and well documented. Parts are widely available, and most repairs are straightforward for experienced mechanics. The E46 remains one of the best examples of BMW engineering from the 2000s because it offers reliability without sacrificing driving enjoyment. Number 4. BMW E53 X5. Produced from 1999 to 2006. When BMW introduced the E53 X5, many people were skeptical. BMW was known for sports sedans, not sport utility vehicles. But the E53 quickly proved that BMW could build an SUV that still felt like a driver-focused vehicle. The E53 was designed differently from traditional SUVs. Instead of focusing purely on off-road capability, BMW focused on road performance and driving precision. The naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine versions of the E53 have demonstrated strong durability over time. These engines are known for smooth operation and predictable maintenance schedules. The E53 also benefits from solid drivetrain construction and well-balanced suspension design. It offers confident highway stability and comfortable long-distance driving capability. Owners often praise the E53 for its practicality. It provides generous interior space, strong all-wheel drive performance, and versatile cargo capacity. Like most luxury SUVs, the E53 requires regular maintenance, especially for suspension components and cooling systems. But when maintained properly, it proves to be surprisingly durable for a first-generation luxury SUV. Today, the E53 represents one of the most reliable and affordable entry points into BMW sport utility vehicle ownership from the 2000s. Number 3. BMW E39. Produced from 1995 to 2003. The BMW E39 5 Series is often described as one of the finest sedans BMW has ever engineered. The E39 was developed during a time when BMW placed enormous emphasis on build quality and engineering precision. It was designed to deliver both luxury comfort and sporty driving characteristics. The naturally aspirated inline-six engines used in many E39 models are widely considered some of the most reliable BMW engines ever produced. These engines offer smooth power delivery and strong internal durability. Many E39 owners report extremely high mileage with original engines and transmissions. The E39 interior also demonstrates exceptional craftsmanship. Materials were carefully selected, and the overall cabin design focused on long-term durability rather than short-term visual trends. Driving an E39 today still feels refined and composed. The chassis balance remains impressive, and the ride comfort competes with many modern luxury sedans. Although the E39 requires regular maintenance like any luxury vehicle, it rewards owners with long-term reliability and timeless driving experience. For many enthusiasts, the E39 represents the peak of BMW sedan engineering during the 2000s. Number 2. BMW E83 X3, produced from 2003 to 2010. The BMW E83 X3 is one of the most overlooked, reliable BMW models from the 2000s. It was introduced as BMW's first compact luxury sport utility vehicle. While it never gained the same level of attention as larger BMW SUVs, it quietly built a strong reputation among owners. The E83 uses naturally aspirated engines that are known for durability and relatively simple mechanical design. This simplicity contributes greatly to long-term reliability. The E83 also offers practical interior space and versatile all-wheel drive capability. It performs well in different weather conditions while maintaining traditional BMW handling characteristics. Many owners appreciate the E83 because it provides SUV practicality without excessive size or weight. It remains easy to drive, park, and maintain compared to larger luxury SUVs. Over time, the E83 has proven itself as one of BMW's most dependable sport utility vehicles from the 2000s. Number 1. BMW E38, produced from 1994 to 2001. At the top of the list stands the BMW E38 7 Series. The E38 represents a golden era of BMW luxury and engineering excellence. It was built during a time when manufacturers focused heavily on long-term ownership quality. The E38 combines elegant styling, exceptional ride comfort, and strong mechanical durability. The inline-6 and V8 engines offered in this generation are known for smooth operation and impressive longevity when properly maintained. The E38 delivers a level of refinement that still feels special today. The interior craftsmanship, seating comfort, and quiet ride quality create a premium driving experience. Many E38 models remain on the road today with extremely high mileage, proving the durability of their engineering. For many enthusiasts, the E38 is not only one of the most reliable BMWs from the 2000s, but also one of the most iconic luxury sedans ever produced. Final thoughts. BMW vehicles from the 2000s represent a unique period in automotive history. They combine traditional mechanical durability with the early stages of modern luxury and technology. These cars were engineered with long-term ownership in mind. They were designed to deliver driving enjoyment while maintaining structural and mechanical integrity over time. Reliability always depends on maintenance, ownership care, and proper engine selection. But the models highlighted in this list have proven themselves repeatedly through real-world experience. For enthusiasts and practical buyers alike, BMW models from the 2000s offer an excellent balance between affordability, performance, and long-term satisfaction. They remind us of a time when driving experience and engineering quality were deeply connected. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. Share your experience with BMW models from the 2000s and tell me which one you believe is the most reliable. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to continue creating honest, enthusiast-driven automotive content. Thank you for watching Car Top Lists, and I will see you in the next video.